If you love the sound of innovation wrapped in the spirit of American performance, then hold on tight, because today on Gravity Automotive we're diving into the future of electric muscle with the all-new 2026 Ford Mustang Mach-E, a bold, stylish, and electrifying SUV that's taking the Mustang legacy to a whole new level. Right from the first glance, this vehicle turns heads with its sleek coupe-like silhouette, aggressive front fascia, iconic tri-bar lighting, and muscular stance that truly sets it apart from ordinary EV crossover. The 2026 model brings refreshed styling, upgraded performance, and smarter tech that pushes the boundaries of what a modern electric SUV can be. It's not just a car, it's a statement. Under the hood, or should I say under the floor, the Mach-E comes with multiple powertrain options, including standard and extended range battery packs. The top GT Performance Edition offers jaw-dropping acceleration with up to 480 horsepower and an estimated 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 3.5 seconds, which is supercar quick in an electric SUV body. Depending on the configuration, the Mach-E offers a driving range of up to approximately 320 miles on a full charge, making it practical for everyday driving and long road trips. And charging has become more convenient too, with faster DC fast charging support that can bring the battery from 10% to 80% in about 30 minutes at compatible stations, giving drivers more freedom and less downtime. Inside, the cabin is all about modern luxury and technology, blending clean design with premium material. The massive 15.5-inch portrait touchscreen dominates the center console and runs the latest version of SWNC4A, providing intuitive access to navigation, climate control, media, and over-the-air updates. The driver gets a crisp 10.2-inch digital cluster displaying real-time performance data and range info. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, and the system also integrates Amazon Alexa for voice commands. The interior lighting is customizable with ambient mood options, while the seats are ergonomically designed with heating and ventilation options in the upper trims, providing both comfort and style. A panoramic glass roof floods the interior with natural light, creating a bright and airy feel, while noise isolation gives you that peaceful, quiet EV cabin experience even at highway speeds. Cargo space remains one of Mach-E's strong suits with both a roomy rear trunk and a front trunk, for extra storage, ideal for weekend adventure. When it comes to driving dynamics, Ford made sure the Mach-E isn't just another electric SUV. The adaptive suspension system, precise steering, and low center of gravity thanks to the battery placement give it sharp, confident handling, living up to the Mustang badge. You can choose between different drive modes like Whisper, Engage, and Unbridled, each adjusting throttle response, steering weight, and ambient lighting to give you a personalized driving experience. The GT trim also gets performance-tuned MagneRide damping, delivering razor-sharp handling on winding roads. Advanced driver assistance features come standard, including Blue Cruise hands-free highway driving, adaptive cruise control, lane centering, blind spot monitoring, and 360-degree cameras for smooth maneuvering in tight spaces. Safety is a top priority, with a rigid structure, multiple airbags, and Ford's Co-Pilot 360 system working together to protect passengers. In terms of design, Ford refined the 2026 Mach-E with updated LED headlights and taillights, a slightly reshaped grille panel for better aerodynamics, and new wheel designs ranging from 19 to 21 inches. The GT model sports a more aggressive front bumper and unique badging that immediately sets it apart. New color options like Vapor Blue, Shadow Black, and Arctic White give buyers plenty of personalization choices. For performance enthusiasts, optional performance upgrades include sport-tuned suspension, Brembo brakes, and sticky summer tires that make the Mach-E GT a true canyon carver. Ford has also improved the EV thermal management system, meaning more consistent performance during spirited driving or in extreme temperatures. Ford is also stepping up its commitment to the charging network, expanding fast charging access through Ford Pass Charging Network, which integrates thousands of public chargers across North America. Home charging solutions are also getting better, with a 48-amp Ford connected charge station offering overnight full charges. And the Mach-E supports bidirectional charging, allowing it to power your home during outages or support other EVs. Over-the-air updates ensure that your Mach-E gets smarter over time, adding features and improving performance without needing a dealership visit. What makes the Mach-E truly special is its ability to blend everyday practicality with the emotional pull of the Mustang brand. It's fast, it's smart, it's stylish, and it's ready for the future. Ford has positioned the Mach-E not just as an EV but as a performance lifestyle vehicle for people who want more than just point A to point B transportation. Whether you're a longtime Mustang fan or just getting into the EV world, this SUV has something to offer. Base pricing starting around $45,000. ABD Premium starting around $52,000. The GT version starting around $65,000. And the final GT Performance Edition price starting around $70,000 plus. From its striking looks and thrilling performance to its advanced tech and everyday usability, the 2026 Mustang Mach-E is a serious contender in the premium EV segment. With its expected arrival in dealerships by late 2025 and competitive pricing that undercuts many luxury EVs, this could be the breakthrough electric performance SUV that wins over both enthusiasts and practical buyers alike. So if you want the heart of a Mustang with the brain of the future, this might just be the perfect ride for you. Make sure to subscribe to Gravity Automotive for more exciting car content like this, and let us know in the comments what you think about Ford's electric performance icon. Would you take this over a traditional muscle car? And more importantly, does that $45,000 starting price make this your next EV?